Are you looking to maximize your land without the need for extensive renovations or additions to your main home? Prefab ADUs are a great way to make efficient use of space on your property. Let's take a look at a San Francisco company who is on a mission to help create practical solutions for a growing housing crisis.
Our mission here at Villa is to be the easiest, fastest, and most cost-efficient way to build homes. We all know that we have massive challenges in America with housing affordability and availability. And the root cause of these problems is a fundamental lack of supply. We've underbuilt housing for the last 20 to 25 years relative to the amount of household formation and population growth. Our focus here at Villa is to help meet the needs of the housing market by adding supply of smaller entry-level homes in infill locations.
Villa Homes is focused on solving the housing crisis by building innovative prefabricated housing.
The advantage of prefabricated construction or off-site construction is pretty profound. It allows you to reduce the cost of building a home, go faster on site, and reduce a lot of the variables and risk of a construction project. And with prefab, we can be in and out relatively quickly, reducing the amount of noise, disruption, and trouble for the local neighborhood, which is a win-win for everybody. So we're making better use of land in communities that already exist and adding smaller homes at an affordable price point in locations where people want to live and can now afford to live with the benefits of ADUs.
The people that come to us asking about ADUs, there's a variety of reasons and a variety of benefits. They've got space in their backyard and they're interested in what their options are. Maybe they have some family members that they want to have extra space for. So it's a great way to keep families together. The other advantage to this is that having an ADU gives the homeowner flexibility, because there'll be times that family members won't necessarily be housed in the ADU, and so then they can open it up for rental income. Villa offers turnkey services for building ADUs. From the moment you sign a contract with us, Villa does the complete site design, and we get the project into the permitting process with your jurisdiction. Once the permit is through, then the construction actually starts, and Villa handles all of that. We also handle the delivery, and then of course the closeout. Once the home is delivered, there's still work to connect to the utilities, there's still work to do interior and exterior finishing, and we handle all of the inspections with your local jurisdiction so that you don't have to be involved in that.
From design to install, Villa Homes expertly handles it all with bespoke customization options.
We spent the better part of 2021 collaborating with an architect, an interior design firm, and a network of factory partners in California to come up with a set of proprietary floor plans that would fit in most backyards. So if you go onto our website, you have the ability to choose from any of our floor plans. You just enter your address and it tells you what's available in your area. You go through, choose the floor plan that best fits your needs in your backyard. You can place it on a map and see if it fits. And then from there you get to do the fun stuff, figuring out your customization for your floor plan layout, choosing your kitchen details, your appliances, all of your interior and exterior finishing, and then hit save and it'll pop out a price and your final design.
It's about building and sustaining a strong community for generations to come.
The best way to solve the housing crisis and bring the cost of housing down is to build more houses. And the main way that we can bring the cost curve down for building new homes is to adopt modern off-site construction methods that have massive advantages in terms of lower cost, faster speed, and less execution risk. This is the main way that we as a country need to build housing going forward if we're going to build enough homes for the people that need them and do it quickly and cost effectively.
Working with the Villa team was a great experience, from the foundation to the plumbing, electrical, everything, all the subcontractors. They were great, easy to work with.
From the planning side, just from the start, from the day we were just online looking at, options, from meeting with them, planning, doing all the prep work, it was just really professional, really clear the whole time.
And they picked up their phone every time I called them. Every time I had a question or something, I probably bugged them, and they picked up their phone or they got back to me that same day, which was very rare in the construction business.
Not only were they great to work with, the quality of the product is beautiful. We get compliments every day about the ADU itself, so I would recommend calling Villa.
To find out more about Villa Homes, visit villahomes.com and designingspaces.tv.